Ito si Ruina. I remember she arrived Davao many years ago. Bata pa to, second lieutenant, nag-graduate lang ng PNPA. Meron, anong katumbas ng ranggo mo sa military? Nabawala ako dyan sa ispi na yan eh. Tanggalin na ninyo yan. Sinong nag-imbento niyang yawa na yan? Talaga, I cannot relate. Truly, pag sinabi mo na SPO1, magtanong pa ako dito, ano ba yung SPO1? I think it was hindi pa ako presidente noon. Pag sa panahon ko yun, it's too confusing to the public actually. I don't, pag sabi itong isa ko, taga Davao, anong ranggo? SPO4, kung ano yan? Hindi ko talaga makuha. I cannot relate to the words of the present ranking titles that you have. I suppose that you should go back to police constable, police patrolman. Mas madali pakinggan, police general, police colonel. Mas madali ang... Pag kami dito nagbabasa, hindi ko talaga alam. Honestly, I get lost at the maze of SP. Ang ko lang si Esperanza, yung nandoon sa Davao. But I'd like to congratulate you. It's been on the winding road for you. Nakuha mo rin. Maybe you'd be the first. Ano ka ngayon, Colonel? General ka na? Sunod. Just trabaho ko lang. You have a very wonderful record sa police. We're gathered here today not only to celebrate this milestone,